Hi, thank you. Thank you for calling. How are ya? Hi, Mr. Matt. How are you doing? I'm working. Matt, it's been a while. Thank you, Mr. Matt. Thank you so much. How are ya? Thank you. Where did you go for so long? I hope the same for you. Bad Daddy. Hi, Bad Daddy. Same for me? What the same for me? Where did you go for so long? For so long. So long. Thank you for the likes. I'm good. Thank you for asking. How are you, Mr. Ano? Mr. Ah, okay. That's good. You're good. But Daddy is a good guy, and if and friend, if you want extra mod, you can add. Ah, really, Bad Daddy? Okay, I like good people. Thank you, Mr. Mount. I've been busy and living life outside the screen mode, but when I am actually on, I don't see you. Okay, thank you, thank you, Bad Daddy. Why Bad Daddy? You are bad. Hi, Jose. You are bad. Why Bad Daddy? It sounds funny, but Daddy is a good guy. Ah, okay. Good morning, Book Hawi pa. Okay pa. Rename to Good Daddy. Yes. Well, even if something like we don't judge the book by its cover, something like that. So it's okay because me, I'm not good always. Sometimes I'm bad. No, sometimes. Most of the time. Thank you for the mod. Thank you, sir. Daddy. What is your real name? Exactly, yes. That's why me, I didn't say I'm a good. May walang gutom kami kahapon. Marami kaming pagkain. Mayaman kami ngayon. Dire, five na kami. Pa-five na kami. Ay, bakit ako ba ang nasa lista? Hindi ako ang nasa listahan. Hindi ako nakapangalan doon. Tsaka, kung mayaman ako, bakit ganito yung bubong ko? Di ako. Tapos bakit ganyan? Bakit ganyan? Ayaw ko nang madumi. Ayaw ko nang mabaho. Ay, how many day? How many kuan? Then, pak ganon. Ay, pinapil ko. Magayon ako. Ano ka ngayon pala? Hulat ko, sana maulit ulit. Sirap pala. Be right back. Thank you, Bad Daddy. Maybe I will wear a suit and rename it to Good Man. It's okay, it's fine, but you know what? If they accept, paso na kami, may karne kami, may isda kami, may, ano ba ba doon, anak? Marami kami. Wow. Hi, so how are you? Hi, also well. Be right back. Thank you, Daddy. Where are you from, Daddy? Hello, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines po. My name is William. I live in United States. My brother met his wife in the Philippines and they're married and happily married. I'm thinking about the vision of the Philippines. Why you want to talk about? I talk about me. I'm a nature lover, and I like to talk about the positive vision in the future. Talking about a lesson learned about the past, something like that. Hi Cheryl, hi Sir Mr. Pat, how are you po? Hi Cheryl, good to see you. Was pleased everything went well with my good times ahead, young lady. Yes, I'm happy we meet, first time we meet, and I'm very so happy. He's good. He's good and kuan. Thank you po. Thank you, Mr. Pat. God bless always. Have a nice day. My God. Mustafa. Ay, sorry. Good morning, Sir Fred. Mrs. Crawler. Hi, Sir Fred. Good morning. Hello, beautiful from Poland. Hi, Marius from Poland.
Matag-initan ka.
Dinali yan.
Andun mo, munitin
Oo
kahapon.
na.
Ansa. Sakay.
Did you practice scooter? Yes po. I practiced scooter last night, Sir Fred. Happy, healthy, brilliant to hear. Very good news. I wish you both my many blessings. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Yes po. Morning, Fred, from Mr. Pat. A most beautiful doll. Where? Andren, where are you from? Hello, Mr. Pat, from Sir Fred. I'm cute on Fridays. Aw. What mine? I have WhatsApp on Andre. Want mine? Thank you, 20 million in the house. Thank you for the like. Let you go, busy your end. Catch up with you also. Thank you, Mr. Pat. She always busy, Mr. Pat. Yes po. Sorry, busy. My God. She don't like us. No, my God. Sabi naman. Na, pay attention na. Hi, Peter Jacobes. Jacobs. Hi po. She don't like us. What time now? 6:40. Haha, you can finish your paperwork. No, it's fine. I'm fine. Hey, hey. Haze. 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 I know Mike tells me you're fine and tiny. Yeah, I'm teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. Do it again. Hey. Hi. Hi, Donnie. Hello, Sir Donnie. Gita chill. Hello. Do it again. What do it again? 27. Oh my God, lots of people now. Maybe YouTube forgive me na. From Denmark, Peter Jacobsen from Denmark. Hi Donnie, how long have you been vlogging? Sir Donnie, I'm starting vlogging since 2020 pandemic. I'm going here in Bicol. Then yes, during pandemic because no need to go outside, even in the inside. You need to something like we need to be busy to avoid the stress while the pandemic because no need to allow to work, no work, something like that. Then I monetize my channel. That time I'm too much active that time. Then I monetize my channel monetized 2021. Then I stop here YouTube. I'm not always on YouTube here 2023, 2022, 2023 because too much busy here. That's why I need to work because of finance. I need to work here, so I have no time. Then suddenly YouTube demonetized my channel because almost more than 6 months, almost 1 year no uploads, and the YouTube removed monetization on my channel because I'm not too much active. They said even 1 month, even 1 month, you can upload once one video or something like that, or even a short. You need to active even a month or 1 week. Me, I'm not upload even the live, no uploads, even a short or the videos. That's why my channel demonetized. Last year, I come back here again after my birthday. I come back here again because that time not too much heavy, too much heavy. The emotions, I'm that time too like I'm so down, something like that. Just I need to makipagsapalaran ulit. Last year, 40, something like, my age is 40 last year. So, then, come back again, back to zero, my watch hour, back to zero again. Then, monetize my channel this year. January, monetize my channel and unlock the super chat. December, unlock the super chat. And I'm thank you so much for all the supporter last year, the good friends who supports me a lot here to monetize my channel. Thank you so much, guys. To all the blessings that I received, I felt so blessed that I come back here again in YouTube. So that's it. Thank you. Then the reason why I need to come back here on YouTube because I meet you guys. I meet you. Thank you so much. Hi, Mike and Venus, 41 and 40th birthday. She won't give you WhatsApp. Yeah, no, here, no personal information. Hi, Mike and Venus. Thank you for joining po. Kalisa, maybe you need to go to Dapuan. Not here. My gulay. Oh, okay, I found your vlog few days ago. Your first time. Huh? First time. Johnny? What do you mean first time? Okay, I found your vlog a few days ago. Okay. Thank you, Sir Danny, for watching my vlog, my videos here. And two, get things to do. I will be back. Thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you for joining. Chris Proctor. I turned 41 this year too. Okay po. We're same age. 1985. Chris Proctor. Batchmate. You can Thank you for watching. 21 million. Thank you guys. Where are you from? You can let it. Hey. Nine is glory time. Yeah, thank you so much for the likes. My God. Thank you so likes. Maybe good friend. Hi, Tia. Hi, Tia. How are you, Tia? The video is not available. Hey, brother Fred from Tio. Hey, MG from Tio. Thank you, Tio, for joining. Hi, everyone. Mike and Venus. Hi to you from Mike and Venus. Thank you for joining, everyone. Just busy, may gulay. Thank you sa likes. Hi, Jason and Jason Bar. Hello, friend. Hi, Jason. Hi, Jess. Thank you for joining. Guapa. Hey, Felias. Felias. Thank you. Thank you to those who hit the likes.
Mama gusto niya si Ina.
Forgive me, Mike. Dang, sure you look nice in that outfit. Ah, thank you. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, Jess. I love my outfit, my God. Thank you, Jess. If you're enjoying the stream so far, don't forget to smash the like button. It really helps the channel out. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Hi Muzo. Hi Muzo. Muzo. Muzo, hello. Hey. Hi Mark. Oh my god, Mark, welcome back. Hi Jess from Mark. Thank you for joining here again, Mark. Samika. Samika. Hello, Samika. Hi Pusaka. Good morning, Pusaka. Good morning, everyone. So, Mika, good morning. Hi, good morning. Thank you for joining. Hi, Mike Mercado. Hello, good morning. We're from Mike Mercado. Chester Hegson. Good morning, beautiful Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Chester Hegson. Thank you so much for joining here again. I'm in Forbes Park, Makati. Wow, that's great. Forbes Park. Forbes, you know what the Forbes here in the Philippines. living there in the Corbis Park is the rich people here in the Philippines. Oo. Thank you for joining here. I saw that you are engaged. Congrats. Thank you, Mike. Yes, I. Thank you. Yes, I'm engaged. Thank you. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Hi, Leo Moreno. Why should I stand up, Leo? Why? Why? What happened? Maluyang, ano gab, signal? Maluya? Hi, Marcus. Thank you for joining, Marcus. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Sorry, just busy po. Just busy. Hi, Pio. Jonas. Hi, Jonas. Hi, Pio. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for joining, everyone.
Pwede mo rin yung tubig para makaulog ka.
Gab, Gabriel, Gab. Thank you so much. Hi, Pitalio.
Nah, kita dito. Tulala kita dito na butla na.
Hello. Lazy. Lazy day. No, working day. Hi, Zion Pamera. Hi po.
Up. Bantayan mo nagtatang tatay di. Dili ka ngun bantayan mo kanan din ngun ako dili kara. Ma dili kara. Kay pagkakaon kara kita mo gre. Dili kara hawak. Asin ba? Ha? Kamuninin ha? Labi ang kuan huhay na hanatag mo na. Hanatag mo na pa. Ano nahatag ko kan gabi? Gabo, gab. Gab, gab. Bili ka muna, ha? Kaya na, ulit mo kami, ha? Sige. Para sa'yo man lang na nabinang.
Ano na ba?
Too much paperwork. Yes. Hi, Ace. Oh my God. Welcome back again. Yes po. I'm in the live because I need to go to work po. Oh my God.
Din.
Hindi na. Salamat. Thank you so much. I need to end the live because I prepare. Okay, take care. Yes po. Because I need to prepare going to work. Need the shower. Not yet breakfast. Need to shower. Not yet breakfast. Something like that. Go, go, go. Yes po. Thank you so much, our friend. Thank you, friend, to all friends here. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Have a blessed morning today. Love you all. Bye-bye.